Hi everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to show you all the goodies that are in our August knit box. So many of you have already received the August box and we've heard all kinds of really great things about it. And I am excited about this one because it's been a lot of fun in the making. So as you know, each month we put a little joke or something punny in the box at the top of the container, and this one says, "A man brings a parrot into a bar and bets the bartender $2 that it can speak fluently. The bartender accepts the bet and the man tells the parrot to speak, but the parrot is silent. Double or nothing, says the man. The bartender agrees again, but the parrot is still silent. This goes on, $8, $16, and so on until the man is all out of cash. The man leaves the bar with his parrot and yells at it, saying, 'You just cost me $64. The parrot replies, 'I know what I'm doing. Tomorrow I can get you $128. The parrot talks, and that's our little joke, and that's funny. Thank you so much to Jonathan, who comes up with our little puns and jokes each month. Of course, consider it tissue paper as always. Oh, and there's a little note in here. We'll get to that in just a second. I really want to show you what the project is, but there might be a bag also. I'll show you the bag in a second. First, the yarn. So the yarn in this month's box is CoBaSi. So it's CoBaSi by HiKoo in 3 different colors: really red, white, and gunmetal gray. And CoBaSi is cotton, bamboo, silk, and a little bit of nylon for elasticity. And it's fantastic for making socks, which is what we are going to make. So these 3 colors are the colors that were selected to make the Earl Socks, which I'll just show you the, everything's falling. I want to show you the pattern. Here we go. Make the Earl Socks. So here's the pattern. There's a download code, of course, as well. And the socks, I'll just show just one, are super cute. Look how cute they are. And guess who they're modeled after? That's right, Earl. So these are designed by Spillyjane, and they have the cute little feathery pattern on them and the little red tip, just like Earl's little tail. And Earl is an awesome bird, and if you follow Spillyjane on Instagram, you get to see some of Earl's antics and comments, of course. There is a note from Earl as well, which I'm not going to read, but you know, there's a little note here from Earl. And of course, when we talked to Jane about having these socks or doing a project, designing a project, she said that'd be great, but she wanted to make sure that Earl chose the snack or the little treat. And so we ended up with sunflower seeds. So they are Chinook small batch sunflower seeds, which are really delicious. And of course, Earl likes seeds, especially the ones with the shells, because you get to make a mess as you have a snack. The other really good thing in this box is this project bag. Can you even believe it? Look how cute this is. So this is a bag that is inspired by a woodcut that Spillyjane did of Earl, of course. The back has the Spillyjane Knits logo, and the Makers logo has the little rainbow zipper, of course. And you know, we designed and printed and sewed these here in our studio. So everyone who got the August knit box got this very amazing project bag for their Earl socks, and then you can use it as a lovely reminder of your time making the August project. If you'd like to purchase this bag, there isn't a way to buy it. The only way to get the bag is if you get either you're a subscriber and you already have one, or by signing up to purchase one of the remaining boxes. If you'd like to join us for September and on, you just head on over to Makers Mercantile and go to the subscription tab and sign up. If there's space, we'd love to have you. And each month there's something fun, of course. So this is the August knit box. Again, the Earl Socks by Spillyjane. And September is just around the corner. We are busy making those boxes up right now. So again, if you'd like to join us, head on over to our website and sign up. So that is it for me. Many thanks to Earl for being the inspiration for the August knit box, and thank you to Spillyjane for such a fantastic pattern and project. We'll see you again next month with another fun adventure of unboxing with the knit box. Thanks everyone.